As you know, one of the staples at the Mopar display at SEMA is we always have a very cool beverage vehicle. This year, we're proud to introduce the M725 Jeep Performance Parts Mascot as the new beverage vehicle that we will be debuting there. Super cool, finished in desert tan. This vehicle is 1967, started life as a military ambulance that we've converted into our latest vehicle. And we've, of course, rated the Jeep Performance Parts catalog as much as we could. And you see that with the lighting, the LED lighting, 5-inch lighting. We've done some custom things up front. Under the hood, we have our Mopar Crate 392 engine that puts out 485 horsepower and fits really well inside the engine bay. Massive 20-inch wheel with an even more massive 40-inch tire that really helps the heroic proportions of this vehicle. Some of the other things that we've done is to have access to the said beverages under the Jeep Performance Parts logo. We've modified the body side of the vehicle and created a nice distribution area, if you will. Some of the other things is we've modified the roof that raises 16 inches to allow for someone of my height to be able to walk easily inside of the vehicle. As you can see on the inside of the M725, plenty of headroom with the roof moved up 16 inches. We've actually created some LED lighting on the inside as well. What normally would be cots and seating along the side of the 1967 ambulance, we've removed and added a bar surface and some doors, obviously for your favorite beverage. And we've put a table in here as we'll be using this to distribute t-shirts and such at the SEMA show. We had some fun with the Moab landscape and of course being the mascot, the Jeep Performance Parts logo. On the interior of the M725, we have Jeep Wrangler seats that are wrapped in tan canvas. The driver controls includes a custom steering wheel and column. We've got modern gauges, a backup camera display screen, as well as a really cool repurposed ammunition box that carries the shifter transfer case, some really cool badging that we've put on the side of it. So that's the story of the M725 concept. I hope you enjoyed it. It was one of my fun ones to work on, and I hope to see you all at SEMA.